Learning Linux can be a great decision for computer science students, as it is a popular and widely used operating system that is used in many different types of environments, including servers, desktops, and embedded systems. It is also open source, which means that students can freely access the source code and modify it to suit their needs. There are many benefits to learning Linux as a computer science student. For one, it can help you to gain a deeper understanding of how operating systems work, which is an important foundation for any computer science career. Additionally, knowing how to use and troubleshoot Linux systems can make you a more valuable and sought-after employee in the job market. Many employers use Linux in their IT infrastructure, and knowing how to work with it can give you a competitive edge. Overall, learning Linux is a great way for computer science students to enhance their skills and knowledge. Click the link below to buy from Flipkart.com.